Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're talking about PEPE Coin and why PEPE holders have every reason to be happy right now. This meme coin, inspired by the legendary Pepe the Frog, has exploded in popularity with its community-driven vibe and viral marketing moves. Right now, PEPE is trading at around $0.0005358. Over the past year, it's pulled off a wild 614% increase in value. Yep, you heard that right. And things got even more exciting when Binance announced perpetual futures for PEPE, boosting its visibility and trading volume. That kind of attention is huge for any coin's market presence. Now let's talk predictions. In the short term, some expect a slight pullback, maybe around a 22% dip, bringing the price closer to $0.0002347. But looking ahead, it could bounce back strong, with some predictions showing a 179% gain, pushing it to around $0.0002005 in the coming months. And long term, there's a forecast floating around that PEPE could potentially hit $0.00357. That would mean a massive return, over 300% ROI, if it happens. At the end of the day, this is the world of meme coins, wild, fast, and full of surprises. PEPE has already made serious waves, and now the question is, can it keep the momentum going? And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more real-time crypto updates.